Namaskaram friends. Today let's visit 5th Divya Desam Sundararaja Perumal Temple. This is located in the village called Anbil. We call it as Thiru Anbil, the outskirts of Tiruchirappalli. This temple is located in the banks of Kollidam. It's 20 kilometers away from Srirangam. So all these temples that I'm talking from Srirangam till this Sundararaja Perumal temple in Thiru Anbil are all located in the in Tiruchi or Srirangam or the nearby outskirts of Tiruchi only. So this is again one of the Divya Desams. This is sung by the Alvars in Divya Prabandham. Tirumizhisai Alvar has sung one Pasuram for this Perumal, Sundararaja Perumal in Thiru Anbil. Let's see the details. The temple was built during 8th century by Cholas. There are inscriptions showing that Chola kings were very generous in contributing to this temple. The granite wall surrounds the shrines of the temple, and the Pushkarni name is Manduka Pushkarni. We'll see why the Pushkarni name is Manduka. There was a sage called Mandukar who always do the tapas from the water only, inside the water. So once he was doing it, he didn't realize that there was another sage waiting for him called Durvasa. And he went deep into his meditation. So the sage Durvasa cursed him saying that he will always remain as a Manduka. Manduka means frog. So to get rid of that curse, he started doing tapas for Lord Perumal, Narayana. So Lord Narayana appeared before the sage Mandaka as Sundararajan. When we are bestowing the blessings as elders, we can see our face glowing with happiness, right? Similarly, Sundararajan means beautiful, handsome face. So his face glorifies when he bestows the blessings to his devotees. So that's how he gets the name Sundararajan here. Any forms of Narayana is a swarubam of love, affection, and his face is always beautiful and handsome. But here he has a specific name Sundararajan, and his concert name is Sundara Valli Nachiyar. The other thing we should notice here is, in all the temples, we have there's a shrine for his concert, and the name also aligns with the Perumal's name. So that is the importance given to the women in our culture, which we have to notice. And in some temples, I remember reading that in Varadarajar Koil, Kanchipuram, there is one festival where Tayar goes for the Utsavam first, followed by the Perumal. So that's the priority given to the women. So as the Manduka sage did the tapas inside the pond, the Pushkarni is named as Manduka Pushkarni. Here the Moolavar, that is the idol in the main sanctum, will be in the reclining form, and the Urchava will be in the standing form. The main entrance of the temple faces the east, and it has 3-tiered Rajagopram. The Rajagopram, when compared to Srirangam, it's small, but it's very beautiful to see. The festive image of Sundarajan is Vadivalagiya Nambi, is housed in the sanctum. And the one prominent festival is held during Masi month, Tamil Masi month, which falls between February to March month, Paurnami. So that's one prominent festival. The main sanctum has idols of Sridevi, Lakshmi, Bhudevi, and Brahma. So, as I said, the main sanctum Perumal will be in reclining posture over the serpent Adisesha. So, the front side there is a sanctum for Andal in standing position, and this bronze image, bronze idol will be in the seated posture. The other prominent sanctums within this temples are 12 alvars. There is shrines for 12 alvars, Narasimha, Venugopalar, Lakshmi Narasimha, and Hanuman, Anjaneyar. We can see sanctums here. I hope this COVID-19 will end soon, and then we can visit all these temples. I think 1 week of tour to Srirangam, we can complete more than 10 temples. So let me meet tomorrow with the other Divya Desam. Thank you, friends. Namaskaram.